This is the elevator in Long Hall at the Pittsburgh Theological Seminary in East Liberty, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's an old Westinghouse elevator with the Type A buttons from the 80s, I believe.
We read a lot of quotes.
Up to 2 EPCO AE on the inside. Marshall maintains the elevator structures. As you can tell on that gated elevator I filmed at the chapel, I also had a Marshall sticker. In fact, it was even installed by Marshall. This is a Westinghouse with the, here are 2 with the Type AE EPCO buttons on the inside. Go back down the ground in case fire on these elevators. People who must have been going up on one must have given up because there's no one getting on. Door close button doesn't work, as with the usual Westinghouse Schindler. Certificate. ADA phone. Basic cab. No smoking, and we're stopping at 1 again. What floor? Oh wait, there's only 1 floor.
Oh, up 1. Yeah. Oh,
We are
we're
on 1.
Ground. Yeah.
Ground, yeah, this is going down. I'll let you get off first.
Thank you.
You're welcome.